Welcome to another episode of GI 101.
Each video is designed to inform students of a particular category of general inspection cleaning procedures so that we can maintain a safe, happy, and healthy environment for living and learning. In this episode, Shanko Tate will be demonstrating how to clean a microwave. Please pay close attention. If you have questions after the video is over, feel free to ask your RA or your dorm leaders. All MJCC dorms have at least one microwave. When you are assigned to clean it, you must be sure to do so safely. You will need paper towels or a rag and an appropriate cleaner. Be sure to read the cleaner's labeling to check for warnings and to ensure it is not hazardous to use on a cooking surface. First, unplug the microwave from the wall. Second, remove the inner plate and ring if it's detachable. Next, spray a reasonable amount of cleaner inside the microwave and wipe all inside surfaces thoroughly. Do not forget the door. Then wipe out the inside with paper towel. Then repeat the process with the plate also clean the ring if it is detachable. Next, take the plate and ring to a clean utility sink. Lay out paper towels on a nearby surface and carefully rinse them to ensure no chemicals are left behind. Finally, dampen some paper towels or another rag, collect the microwave plate, and return it to the microwave. Once you return to the microwave, wipe out the inside of the microwave again with the damp paper towels, including the inside of the door. This ensures that no cleaner residue is left behind. When you're done, place all of the parts back inside the microwave. Leave the door cracked so any remaining moisture can evaporate. Throw away any leftover paper towels and make sure that you did not leave any food particles in the sink. Leave the microwave unplugged until the next day.
Thank you for watching this episode of GI 101.